Making our first Christmas cookie of the year.
Could you help me? I need the butter in the bowl. Please.
We'll use this simple one. And then we'll use this one for the big one or something. I don't know. Anyways, this recipe called for powdered sugar. And all we had was sugar. And I was like, wait, don't you just grind up the sugar to make powdered sugar? So we Googled it and it is. So I grinded up the sugar in a blender and we made powdered sugar. So now we're making the icing for the Ninja gingerbread cookies that we have, which are right here. Easy though. Okay. Sorry. Okay. There's one. This is why my mom always yelled at me in the kitchen. We are ready.
Well, this is not gonna make a lot.
That's okay. She made a double batch, huh?
How? It comes with the mix.
The second one.
Repeat stupid.
Yes, well, stupid is smart. Do you know that nowadays? Miss
Sometimes.
Masters, getting your masters.
Yeah, I'm a master so I can get paid more.
Whoa! It worked. You're such a good baker.
Thanks.
The Christmas cookie escapades continue. Rosie picked out what the first one was. We gave her a bunch of little scrap pieces of paper and she chose Spritz as the first cookie we are making today. We went out this morning, got a couple of things that we needed. There's ice here this morning. Slippery ice. And now starts the baking game as we leave. Not this coming week, but the next week. Haley, how excited are you to be doing your hobby all day, basically?
Very excited. My family didn't get to do this, so it's nice that we get to now.
Haley's hobby, other than reading, is cooking. It's like her big thing. So I like watching her cook, mostly because she loves doing it, and I like watching her doing things she loves, but also because she makes some good stuff. Our first Christmas at the apartment. What are you doing, Rose? You have the zoomies?
One, two, three, or four. Thank you.
Thank you,
We
Rose.
are making try cookies. Yay!
Oh boy. They look good though, no?
Are they done?
I don't really know. These smell like gingerbread cookies. What do you think? Yeah.
Or maybe should have had more powdered sugar. They're my favorite cookies. What do you think? They're like brownies.
They're good.
There's only 40,147 movies for me to go through.
Oh. Oh, it's pooping, Rose. What do you think of it? Yeah, Rose, what do you think? Go. See? And it like goes so hard. Come on, Rose. Go ahead. Go ahead, Rose. You're letting the hot air out. Oh, she doesn't want to go. She says it's cold. What is that?
What's out there?
Hey, Rose.
What's out there? What do you see? Look, you have a chair. Okay? You don't have a chair.
She said, it's cold.
Right?
Mm-hmm.
But you're not against hanging out with him, obviously. I just don't know.
So we got Christmas lights now behind our couch, giving us light. And Haley's trying to configure
like
a way.
around here, you know?
Yeah, I mean, we could tape it, you know?
No, because the Christmas ones have to go by.
Yeah, that's cool.
We have some more lights.
Yeah,
Definitely more.
I like it. All right, so this is what the living area looks like. And then we have that. And then in our room, we just put on these bright LED string lights that my mom got us. You got the snowmen. Haley's got the trucks.
How?
What?
They're not long. They're too long.
That's fine. They're short, but they're too long, huh?
You see what I mean?
You're struggling.
Okay.
All right, you open that present. Which ones are mine?
They say your name on it. You can pick any one you want.
We're opening a present. Okay, so we got bored, so we're opening presents.
One present.
One present.
Lauren picked out whatever one she wanted out of her pile.
Okay, I want you to go first. Wait. Yeah, I think this is it. Here, do you want to knife it or do you want to just rip it open?
Rip. That's how you do Christmas.
I think this is the right one. I don't know.
Well, here, I'll let you check.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay. You remembered I wanted this from so long ago? It's a post office game. And your job is to, it's like Ticket to Ride, but your job is to deliver mail. Oh my, you're so cute. Thanks.
If you don't like it, we can return it, but...
No, I like it. I like... Oh my goodness, it comes with a little stamper. So you can stamp your packages.
Alright, show them a box, what it looks like. This is the game.
The back says, congratulations, you now work for the USPS and you've got to prove you're the best mail carrier in town.
She told me like a year ago that she wanted this game, and since we weren't really around for Christmas, like I just put it on a list and I got it for her this year. And
you can go buy hot air balloon to deliver mail.
Can I open my present now?
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
This is crazy. I can't believe you got this for me.
Do you like it?
Yes.
Oh my gosh, the one that I picked. I didn't even know that this was the box. Yes. I got a Fletcher sweatshirt.
Is it good?
Yeah, look at it.
Okay, good.
Look.
Good. You like it?
Yes. I love it.
Good.
I need to wash it, but yes.
Good.
Dude, I'm about to wear this now every day. Instead of this black sweatshirt, it's gonna be this black sweatshirt. Nice!
Yay! I'm glad you like it.
I need to wash it, but yes. I'm gonna wear it to Minnesota.
Okay. Look how pretty the back is.
You like it?
Yes. Handsome Eddie. Moon socket, hat, bald head, mane. Oh my god, you get a cute little mail truck. Oh my goodness, cute. Wow.
This is probably the best Christmas present I got you.
You can read their letters. Your aim is to deliver the most mail and collect the most points by the time the transport cards run out. I picked up one card, but I can play this one twice.
Yes.
So I'm gonna play my bike twice to use the road.
That's mine. Yeah, that's
Because
you.
I can't go that way.
No.
Because I had to go from here to
Yes.
there. So I can go 1, 2, pick up another package. 4 points. Good job.
I won.
I'm a little sad.
You like the game though. You like the little stamps.
It's fun.
Yeah.
Lauren hurt herself with the stamp.
I squished my finger in the little squishy part right here. It just
Poor
squished my
Lauren.
finger.
That was fun.